are from Group 3 and this video vocabulary law 1. Before that, we would like to introduce also. My name is Tati Nurhayati.
My name is Chantika Febrianti.
My name is Tiffany Puspadianti.
Vocabulary Law 1. Video vocab for basic legal terms. Today we're going to look at the vocabulary related to the law. This will be a three-part series. Part 1. We'll deal with the basic terms about the law. Part 2. We'll look at what happens in a court case. And Part 3. We'll look at the vocabulary related to commercial law. After each turn, we will also provide some of the common collocation or word partnership associated with the word. Let's start off by looking at a definition of what law is from the English Wikipedia. A Wikipedia is an online encyclopedia made up of contributions from many different people. So according to the wiki, law is a system of rules that people are supposed to follow in a society or a country. The court and police enforce this system of rules and punish people who break the laws, such as by making them pay a fine or other penalty, such as sending them to jail. Okay, so that's a brief explanation of the law now. Let's look at some common word partnership containing law. Law can be combined with an adjective, for example civil law and criminal law, which we'll look at next. It can be combined with a verb, as in break the law, which means to do something that is not legal or commit a crime. Enforce the law, meaning to make sure the law is not broken. Become law or pass law. These are used to refer to when a new law is created by a government. Civil law is the part of law that deals with the settlement between private individuals rather than crimes. In many countries, civil law comes from two different sources. 1. Legislation. These are laws created by the government of a country. And 2. Common law. These are laws that have come into being over a long period or time and are based on previous legal decisions. Civil law is also influenced by local tradition, religion, beliefs, and culture.
Criminal law. Criminal law is a system of law concerned with crimes and the punishment of criminals. Criminals are people who commit crimes. Most criminal law is based on government legislation. Other types of law include contract law. Contract law sets rules on agreements to buy and sell in terms and service. Property law. Property law states the rights and obligations that a person has when they buy, sell, or rent homes and buildings. Trust law. Trust law sets out the rules for money that is put into an investment, such as pension funds that people save up for their retirement. Third law. Third law helps people to make claim for compensation when someone hurts them or damages their property. Constitutional law. Constitutional law is asked to create laws on how diverse levels of government can act and on human rights. Administrative law. Administrative law is asked by ordinary citizens who want to challenge decisions made by government. International law. International law is asked to set out the rules on how countries can act in areas such as trade, environment, of military action. The Geneva Convention on the Conduct of War are an example of international law. If people have a problem with the law or they need to take legal action against somebody or a company, they will usually need the help of a lawyer. A lawyer is someone who has studied law and has a special qualification to represent people in court or in other legal action. There are many diverse types of lawyer, and they have diverse names in British and American English. There are some of the common ones. Attorney. This is the word American used to describe a lawyer. And in British English, we usually call them a solicitor. If the lawyer is appearing in court, they are called. A counsel is the US and the barrister in the United Kingdom.
You can tell if a lawyer is a barrister because they wear a traditional custom of a black gown and a white curly wig as you can in the picture. In criminal law, a lawyer either represents the defense, the prosecution. The defense is the lawyer that is defending against the case by trying to prove that the defense is not guilty of the charge. The prosecution is the lawyer who represents the government side and is seeking to prove that the defense is guilty. A case citation that involves a particular person or thing. In the context of today's topic, a case is a legal action that will be decided in a court of law. It is also used to describe the facts that support one side of an argument or legal dispute. Collection with case relates to the law include a court case, a criminal case, a civil case. We can bring a case against somebody, defense a case the court will consider a case or hear a case. A lawyer can handle a case or prosecutor a case. Our overall presentation, and thank you so much for your attention and have your like. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.